Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook the perfect egg. Let's start with poaching. For a perfectly poached egg, begin with very fresh eggs. They hold their shape better. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, and add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Carefully crack each egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the simmering water. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a beautifully runny yolk. Next, let's master the soft-boiled egg. Place your eggs in a saucepan and cover them with cold water by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a full, rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and cook for precisely 6 minutes. This timing yields a wonderfully jammy yolk. Afterward, plunge them into an ice bath to halt the cooking and make them easier to peel. Now for fluffy scrambled eggs. Whisk 2 or 3 eggs per person with a tablespoon of milk or cream and a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat with a small knob of butter. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set slightly, then gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center. Continue stirring until they are just set, but still moist, for a creamy texture. Finally, let's make a perfect fried egg. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, carefully crack an egg directly into the pan. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes for a runny yolk and beautifully crispy edges. For an evenly cooked top, you can gently baste the yolk with the hot butter or oil from the pan. Enjoy your perfectly cooked egg.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.